we're opening up the most recent magnet attachment prototype. Oh baby, these are gonna be fresh. I'm just screwed. This will also allow you to use an Allen wrench or finger tight, or if you don't have, you could use a Leatherman to tighten it if it were to come loose. Oh man, are these put together? Yeah. Look at that. See, look at this. Man, I can't wait to put this on. You wanna try it, Drew? Is that pretty cool? So let's go ahead and put one of these magnets onto the bow. For this particular bow, this Matthews Trax, I've got a bee stinger 10-degree offset, but a stabilizer is perfectly sufficient to mount this on and work perfect. So one thing on these is I am recessing the set screw so I can have it anchor into the bow. And so what will happen without this set screw is you're gonna see this has the opportunity to go up and down. But now that we've got this set screw, I have it level. I can come in here. This is a 3/32 Allen wrench, and I'm really driving it into the side of the riser here, and that allows me this thing. I mean, this is a 1/4 inch giant hex bolt that's really cannot move, and now that it is pushed away, there's just so much tension now onto this onto this quick detach that this magnet is all but one with the riser at this point. So phenomenal now that it's been implemented. But this is how they're gonna go in your bow. Quick detach gang. There we go. Cool. I should probably mention, remember, please sign up for the Stealth Rig. When you do that, it gives more and more support for the order that when we make one, that people will buy Stealth Rig. And that is growing every day, so be a part of that and be able to simplify your life by being able to put your bow on your back via a magnet. And that's pretty cool to me. Anyway, thanks.